Is your vision not as crisp as it used to be? Maybe you're squinting at street signs or holding your phone a little farther away. It could be time for a refraction eye exam, the simple test that helps you see the world in sharp focus again. So, what actually happens during a refraction exam? You'll look at letters on a chart, try out different lenses, and maybe use some cool technology. The goal is to figure out exactly how your eyes bend light and which prescription gives you the clearest view. This test checks for common vision issues like nearsightedness, farsightedness, and astigmatism. It's quick, painless, and works for everyone. Kids whose eyes are changing fast, or older people who notice things getting a bit blurry up close. Why does it matter? Because clear vision isn't just about comfort. It's about living life to the fullest. A refraction eye exam can reveal what you've been missing and help you see every detail, every day. Don't wait. See clearly, again.